Welcome to the new era of men, my friends. Let's kick things into high gear. In this video, I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on how you can master the art of meditation. No more messing around. We're diving deep into the world of mindfulness. First things first, you don't need much to get started, but I strongly recommend you grab an app for this journey. An app that's not just any app, but your guiding light. One that's got your back with an online instructor, a mentor who'll be your meditation sensei. They'll school you on the ins and outs of meditation, the right way to breathe, the perfect posture, and all the little secrets to make you a meditation pro. It's a game changer, my friends. I'm talking about an app called Medito. I'm telling you, Medito's where it's at. Now, I get it. Some of you might not be into the whole app thing. The voice in your ear might drive you nuts while you're trying to reach that Zen state. But hey, I'm not judging. I've been there too. At the start, that app was my lifeline. It kept me consistent and on track. Meditation is all about living in the moment, the here and now, without all that baggage from the past or the stress about the future. It's you, your breath, and the present moment. Meditation is your remedy for overthinking and anxiety. It's your ticket to the land of happiness and peace. It's time to take life by the horns and savor every moment of your day. But now, let's break it down. I'm about to show you the meditation magic. First, sit your butt down in a comfy spot, spine straight, and for extra comfort, grab a cushion or just plop on a chair if that's your jam. Start breathing deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel that sweet, life-giving air flowing into your lungs, filling your belly, and then streaming out of your system. Let it be all about that breath, the rhythm, the sensations inside you. Now comes the tricky part. And oh, it's a doozy. Your mind's gonna wander. It's like a runaway train. But this is where you can level up, my friend. Imagine meditation as a video game. You've got to earn experience points to level up. Think of it like hitting the gym. You do reps to build muscle. This is the same deal. Step 1, focus on your breath. Feel the inhale, the exhale. Step 2, your brain will do its thing, take you on a thought adventure. That's normal. At first, you might not even notice. Step 3, the magic happens when you realize you've gone off track. It's like looking at yourself from the outside, examining that thought. Is it a memory from the past or a worry about the future? Take a quick peek, then snap back to your breath. The more you practice this, the more you level up. Every time you catch yourself and return to your breath, it's like doing a bicep curl. Over time, this process becomes second nature, quick as a whip. That's why you gotta show up every day and not give up if you stumble. No sugarcoating here, my friend. Your first few meditations might feel like a train wreck. I've been there. I couldn't focus for a single minute, thoughts bombarding me every 10 seconds, but I never quit. Now I'm meditating for 15-20 minutes daily. Do I still battle random thoughts? You bet. But I'm getting better at conquering them every day. Becoming a meditation master and seeing real change in your life, it takes time, maybe months or even years. So prepare yourself. Don't give up. You might think, I don't have that much time. I want instant results. Listen up. A great life demands hard work. If you don't start now, your mental health will suffer and you'll regret not starting earlier. Begin with just 1 or 2 minutes a day and gradually increase it. After a month, try 5 minutes, then 10, 12, 15 minutes. I promise you, in a year, you'll thank yourself. You'll feel mindful and happiness for every little thing in your life. You've got 2 choices. Start now, become a powerhouse in a year, or procrastinate and remain the same. That's the real deal. That's all from me. I hope this video fires you up to begin your mindfulness journey. This is the era of transformation. It's our duty to build a community of strong, resilient individuals who can conquer anything life throws their way. You can choose an average life or scale the highest peaks. See you in the next video. Let's make it happen. If you appreciate what I'm doing, please consider subscribing and liking my videos. We'll meet again soon. Stay strong, my friend. We've got this.